Hi, welcome to this revision video on solving linear equations, so solving one-step equations, so equations that just involve one step. Now this is aimed at grade 3-4 for GCSE maths, so all of these questions are predominantly and only for the foundation tier. However, some of the techniques that we use here may be appropriate for solving harder and more difficult equations. Okay, so feel free, guys, to obviously pause the video, try the questions yourselves, and then press play. This is question number 1. Find the number that would go into each box to make the calculation correct. 4 add something is 15. Well, 4 add 11 is 15. And if I was to show this algebraically, I would take away 4 from both sides to work out the missing box, okay, to balance the equation. 15 take away 4 is 11. Okay, part II, 16 take away something is 9, or 16 take away 7 is equal to 9. Now another way of solving this is if I add this box to the right hand side, okay, then I get 16 is equal to 9 plus something. Okay, so this is like another way of looking at it, in case that was a bit confusing. So 9 plus what is 16? And if I take away 9 from both sides, 16 take away 9 is equal to 7. So the missing part is equal to 7. Okay. So hopefully it makes sense. This is question number 2, guys. Find the number that would go in each box to make the calculation correct. Something add 4 equals 14. Well, if I take away 4 on both sides, the missing box is equal to 10, because 10 add 4 is equal to 14. Okay, so hopefully it's making sense so far. Part II, 16 equals 19 take away what? Well, 19 take away 3 is equal to 16. Okay, you are always trying to make it so the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. 16 does indeed equal 19 take away 3, because 19 take away 3 is 18, 17, 16. Okay, if we count on a number line or on our fingers. Okay. This is question number 3, part I. Find the number that would go into each box to make the calculation correct. Something minus 7 is 13. Well, if I add 7 to both sides, okay, to balance the equation respectively, okay, the missing number is equal to 20. Okay, because 20 take away the 7 is equal to 13. Okay, this is part II. 17 equals 8 plus what? Well, if I take away 8 on both sides to balance this, okay, 17 take away 8 is 9, so 9 is equal to the missing part in the box. So 9 is equal to the box, so therefore 17 equals 8 plus 9, which is correct, because 8 plus 9 is 17. This is question number 4. Okay, solve x plus 6 equals 18. Well, if I subtract 6 on both sides of my equation to balance it, x is equal to 12. Okay, and these are the GCSE exam style layout of how they'll ask you to solve an equation. It might also be written in this form, but past exam papers are written a bit more algebraically. This is question number 5. D divided by 2 is 6.5. So if I times both sides by 2, okay, I'm doing what I call the inverse operation. So I'm doing the opposite to get the letter by itself. 6.5 times 2 is 13. Okay, this is question number 6. Solve 4a is equal to 24. Well, dividing both sides by 4, because 4a means 4 times a. Okay, 4a divided by 4 is just 1a, or just a. A is equal to 6. Okay. This is question number 7, guys. Solve this equation. Well, if I divide both sides by 5, because 5x means 5 times x, so dividing both sides by 5, I get that x is equal to 65 divided by 5, which is 13. Okay, this is question number 8, guys. Solve m take away 5 equals 8 while adding 5 to both sides. So doing the inverse operation, I get that m is equal to 13. This is question number 9a. Solve x plus 9 equals 14 while subtracting 9 on both sides. Okay, I get x is equal to 5. Okay, part B, h plus h plus h equals 12, so I have 3 lots of h, so 3h is equal to 12. Dividing both sides by 3, h is equal to 12 divided by 3, which is 4, guys. This is question number 10, guys. Solve 5 plus p equals 8 while subtracting 5 from both sides. I get p is equal to 8 take away 5, which is 3. Okay. This is question number 11a. Solve x plus x equals 39. So I have 3x equals 39. Okay, x plus x is 3x, guys. Okay, dividing both sides by 3, I get that x is equal to 39 divided by 3, which is 13. Okay, part B, 36 divided by a number is equal to 9. Now, one way of doing this is trial and error. Another way is if I times both sides by y, okay, then I get 36 is equal to 9y. Dividing both sides by 9, okay, I get that y is equal to 4. Okay, y is equal to 4. Okay, part C, guys. Solve a take away 15 equals 19. Well, if I add 5 to both sides, I get a is equal to 19 plus 5, which is 24. Okay, so hopefully it's making much more sense, guys, and you're happy with this. Okay, you are always doing the inverse operation. F divided by 3 is 7. The opposite of divided by 3 is timesing by 3. So F is equal to 21. Okay. This is question number 13. Solve 20 take away m is equal to 12. Well, what I can do here, okay, is I can subtract 20 on both sides, okay. So then I get minus m is equal to 12 minus 20, which is negative 8. Minus m is equal to... So multiplying through by negative 1, I get the m, by definition... m is equal to positive 8. Okay, so 20 take away 8 is equal to 12. Okay, so minus m is equal to minus 8, timesing through both sides by negative 1 or dividing through by negative 1 gets you that m is equal to 8. This is question number 14, guys. Solve 8g is equal to 40 while dividing both sides by 8, okay, to get g on its own. Okay, I get that g is equal to 40 divided by 8, which is 5, okay? So dividing both sides by 8 to get g on its own. Right, guys, that is the end of today's short, sharp video on revision of algebra for solving one-step equations. I will do a separate video now looking at solving 2 or more step equations, okay, and looking at harder equations even for higher tier maths, okay. But this video is aimed at predominantly the foundation tier, but the techniques in here can be used for solving harder equations equations for higher tier maths. Okay, right guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did find this useful, please hit that like button, please subscribe to the channel if you're new, and lastly, please click that bell icon so you don't miss out on further videos and further uploads. But that's it from me today, guys. Thanks for watching, take care, stay safe, good luck with your revision, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye for now.